Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Cooking taugi is surprisingly simple and delivers a nutritious, delicious dish in no time. These crunchy bean sprouts are a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals, perfect for a quick, healthy meal. Their mild flavor makes them incredibly versatile, complementing many different cuisines and dishes. We will show you how to prepare perfectly crisp taugi, transforming a simple ingredient into a delightful side or main. Get ready to enjoy a fresh and easy vegetable dish. Preparing your ingredients is the first simple step to a great taugi stir-fry. Gather your fresh bean sprouts, a clove or two of garlic, and a touch of cooking oil. Make sure to rinse your taugi thoroughly under cold running water, removing any loose husks or discolored ends. This quick cleaning step ensures your sprouts are perfectly fresh and ready for cooking. Properly prepped taugi will give you the best crispy texture. High heat is the secret to perfectly crisp taugi, so let's start by heating our pan. Add about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil to a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil shimmers, toss in your minced garlic and sauté for just 30 seconds until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Then, quickly add your clean taugi to the hot pan, spreading it out to ensure even cooking. Keep the heat up for that signature crunch. Quick cooking preserves the delightful crunch of taugi, so this next step is very fast. Now, season your sprouts generously with a splash of soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and a dash of white pepper to taste. Stir-fry everything vigorously for only 1 to 2 minutes. Overcooking will make them limp. The goal is for them to be slightly softened yet still firm and crisp. As soon as they reach this perfect texture, remove the pan from the heat immediately. Your perfectly stir-fried taugi is ready to be enjoyed right away. It's best when served fresh and hot. Transfer it to a serving dish and consider adding a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or some freshly chopped green onions for a pop of color and extra flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with your own twists, perhaps adding a dash of oyster sauce or a hint of chili flakes for some heat. Enjoy this simple, quick, and incredibly satisfying vegetable dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.